ਅੱਜ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਫਰੈਂਡ ਕੋਲ ਵੁਲਵਰਹੈਂਪਟਨ। ਸੋ ਅੱਜ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੈਂ ਚੱਲਿਆ ਜੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਵਾਈਲਡ ਜੂਲੋਜੀਕਲ ਪਾਰਕ ਹੈਗਾ ਹੈ, ਉੱਥੇ ਕੋਈ ਬਰਡ ਸ਼ੋਅ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਅਤੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ। ਵੈਸੇ ਇਹਨੇ ਵੀ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਹਾਲੇ ਤੱਕ ਇੰਨੇ ਸਾਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਅਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਅਤੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਮੈਂ ਫਿਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਨਾਲ ਦੀ ਨਾਲ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਦਿਖਾਊਂਗਾ ਉੱਥੇ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਉਹ ਸ਼ੋਅ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਫਿਰ ਅੱਜ ਰਾਤ ਨੂੰ ਸ਼ਾਇਦ ਮੈਂ ਜਾਊਂਗਾ ਕੋਵੈਂਟਰੀ, ਅਤੇ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਫਿਰ ਕੱਲ੍ਹ ਮੇਰਾ ਮਨ ਹੈਗਾ ਜੀ ਸ਼ੇਕਸਪੀਅਰ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵਿਲੇਜ ਹੈਗਾ ਹੈ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਐਗਜ਼ੈਕਟਲੀ ਉਹਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਹੈਗਾ, ਲੇਕਿਨ ਉਹ ਕੋਵੈਂਟਰੀ ਤੋਂ ਆਈ ਗੈਸ ਹਾਫ ਐਨ ਆਵਰ ਦੀ ਦੂਰੀ 'ਤੇ ਹੈਗਾ ਹੈ, ਅਤੇ ਕੱਲ੍ਹ ਮੇਰਾ ਪਲਾਨ ਹੈਗਾ ਉੱਥੇ ਵਿਜ਼ਿਟ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ। ਅਤੇ ਅੱਜ ਰਾਤ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਕੋਵੈਂਟਰੀ ਨਿਕਲੂੰਗਾ ਅਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਕੱਲ੍ਹ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਦਿਖਾਊਂਗਾ। ਅੱਜ ਆਪਾਂ ਫਿਲਹਾਲ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਬਰਡ ਸ਼ੋਅ ਦੇਖਣ। ਓਕੇ।
As he takes off. Now harrishogs are really interesting birds of prey because they live and hunt in groups. Most birds of prey are the only bird of prey that will actually form, let's say, a coalition and hunt just like a pack of wolves or a pride of lions. In fact, they're known as the wolves of the sky for that reason. He's got lots of adaptations to so his vision is about 8 to 10 times better than ours, and that is perfect for looking out for a wide variety of prey, small mammals and birds, or even snakes and lizards. As I said, this is a desert-dwelling species. Now for the birds, if you're scared of boss, my advice is move. Alright, this is going to be a low flight for the boys, by about a third. The females are larger, more powerful, but the boys being smaller and more agile and nimble. So the boys will be in and out of the trees. Now this is Africa's largest species of owl, again, milky eagle owl. Now when she came out just then, a lot of you guys, I heard you, and you went, oh. Super lucky to have 2 milky eagle owls here at the park. Our male is called Ambali. He has been here. Rats. You guys are really excited about rats, hey? No, the problem is behind me now. It's all sorted.
Enables the whole scavenging team to pick a carcass clean. These birds may have a dirty job to do, but it's one of the most ecologically important disease and bacteria-ridden meat with no problems. This saves the other animals from the nasty hidden recycling heroes. Kites are mainly insect-feeding birds, snatching food on the wing right out of the air. Watch as these aerial acrobats grab food with their talons, passing it to the beak to eat whilst maintaining flight. Kites are often seen around vultures and storks, swooping down for the scraps. There are 2 species found here. The birds with white heads are Brahminy kites from Australasia. The brown birds are black kites, a successful species native to 4 countries: Africa, Asia. The next group of birds come to Wimbledon. Typically, a pair of macaws will raise 2 or 3 chicks a year. brakes and rudders to change direction and land safely. Their beaks have tremendous strength and can crack open even the hardest hot loops. There are 17. The team here are working to breed these birds to release back into the wild. Cranes and white storks. They are migratory birds and have been known to cross the Sahara Desert without stopping for a single day. Once widespread around the UK, these birds were driven out of the British, making a comeback for the first time in 600 years. They are primitive birds dating back 56 million years. Here before you are critically endangered here today. The time to act for wildlife is right now. All is not lost. Zoos and conservationists around the world are working together. The team here are official conservation partners with the macaw recovery.
Alrighty folks, I hope you thought that was spectacular. Out and about here, so I'm going to introduce you to them. We've got our white storks, there 17 white storks taken off from the end there, down the bottom there. We've got of course Kevin, the African whiteback vulture, his girlfriend being that here. The green ones are military macaws, scarlet macaws, these guys are blue and gold macaws over here.
Thank you for joining us for the Wild Wings Bird Show. If you'd like to, we now have animal handling and our walk.
Kind of training to put together a week, and it's a very kind of organised show to get it off the ground, really. Quite literally off the ground.
Yeah,
but,
superb.
yeah. We ended up on a 3-day holiday. Normally when we